Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to integrate banner ads ID into our project. Okay, so let's open your Android project and also open your documentation. After this line of SDK integration, there is a uh, integration method for app open banner interstitial. So just click on banner. First of all, we will create banner ad ID. Okay, so let's copy this layout XML file. Okay, copy this one. It is copied. Now go back to the project. Okay, now go to the app, then resource layout. After that, go to the activity main.html file, and here you can see we have added a app 11 um, banner ads already. So first of all, you have to remove this one to add another one. It is not an issue if you want to use both. Okay, it is also not an issue, but we will create from scratch. So first of all, take a backup of this project. Go to this hamburger icon. Okay, file. Then click on export. Then export to zip and create our project backup. Okay. Now click on OK. Let's put it in the desktop. Backup has been done. Now we have to remove this one. Okay. So let's remove this one. Okay. Do not remove first of all, paste HTML layout for Wortise ads. Okay, no issue. Now what we can do, first of all, copy this ID. Now paste it. After that, what you can do, copy this constant properties and paste it here. Okay. Now we not need any other things. So let's remove this. Okay. Now it has been fine. And here we have to pass a add unit ID, but we will pass add unit ID dynamically. Okay, if you do not want to add a dynamic banner ad view, then simply just put the ads ID and it will start displaying your ads. Okay, not an issue. But if you want to set your ads ID from your server or control panel or admin panel, then you can dynamically. So I will showing how you can do that. Okay, so go back to the documentation and read about this is programming code, how you can show programmatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to create a private variable. So copy this one, back to project, open the main activity. Inside activity, go to main activity, and here you have to declare this variable here. Now click on banner and keep cursor and press alt plus n. Okay, it has been done. Okay, fine. Back to the project documentation, and now we have to initialize this. Okay, so mm, copy all of these. Okay, so let's copy all of these. Okay, now go inside the on create. We have to paste this, as you can see inside on created. Okay, and but we not need app 11 for now, so remove the app 11. Okay, because in the last lecture I have told you that if you use multiple ads SDK, then your project will be size increased. Okay, so avoid using multiple ads integration. That's why I have removed. And you have to start displaying this banner ad when your initialization is successful. Okay, so what we can do, we will create a instance or another method for it. And here you can see this is a show banner method. So inside this, remove this applicant method, and we will start pasting our this voltage code. Okay, paste it there. Now press Alt plus N. Now we have to set add ID from here. Okay, and before pasting this, this is not our add view. So remove this one because we are binding. So we not slice like this. Okay, just simply call it using binding method. Okay, frame lot we are not using, so we are using banner. Okay, call this one using the binding dot banner. So not the ban, it's dot banner. Now it has been done. You have to set this add view, this one, and banner. Okay, here. Okay. Now it has been fine. Now you have to set a add unit ID. We have created adds ID in the last lecture and put in adds ID into our helper and function class. Here, as you can see, this is our banner adds ID from Wortise. So you have to call this one. You have to simply using call function and using the concat this with Wortise banner adds ID. Okay. So let's remove this one. Okay. Now call function. Now Wortise banner adds ID, and it has been done. Okay. Now what we can do, you have to copy this method name and paste it inside here. When SDK is initialized, we will start showing the banner ads, right? So just paste it here. You have to paste before the return. Okay. I'll see your request. So it has been done. Okay. Now what we can do? Let me go check. Hmm, there is no any other issue. Anchored ads. Yes, this is the anchored ads. It means let me show you game hubs. Okay, and maybe they are using anchor ads. This one, this is called anchor ads, not the banner ads, because it will automatically shown in the top or bottom of the website. So in this case of your app, you if you want to show like this, then you have to use this code. Okay. So first of all, we have to check our banner ads. Later we'll think about it. Okay. So just connect the app. Device has been connected. So let's run the app. Okay. The building process will take some time. App is installed. Now ATK initialized. Now we have to show banner ad. Mm, there is some issue. Banner ads is not displaying. Let me check the issue. Mm, there is some issue. Let me check. Go back to the project documentation. We have to verify this app adds txt file. So let's click on submit again. This time it's updated successfully. So go back now and refresh the page. Mm, there is some, yes, it is showing that it is successfully updated. Okay, now there is maybe some debug console, no issue. Go back to the project and we have to remove this line. Okay, maybe. So go back to project and remove this one. Remove this line. Okay, and now it has been done. First of all, let's clean the project and go to the build menu and clean the project. Also remove this add size because we have already added here programmatically. Okay, so remove from here. Okay, no, maybe it's fine. Project has been cleaned now. Now run the app again. App is installed successfully. Now SDK is initialized. Banner is still not showing. There is might be some issue. Go back to the dashboard again. Let's check. Refresh the page. Here you can see that our app is pending. Status is pending. Means it is not verified yet. Okay. So keep the cursor and you can read. They will take 72 hours to update this app. Okay. So we have added this app just before 1 hour ago. So at least give 3 days. Okay, so that when app is verified, then we can show the ads. Okay, still test mode is on, but ads is not showing. There is might be some issue with this app. Okay, so I hope everything is fine. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Just wait. What we can do more? Uh, I have checked that they are providing listeners. Okay, so we can check this method to showing why ads is not showing. So just copy this all these codes. Just click on this icon and back to the project. After that, you have to paste this code after loading method. Okay. Okay. Now what you can do? Keep the cursor on red words. Okay, and press Alt plus Enter key. Also do this, and it has been done. Okay. Now you are uh, can see that we have a on banner failed to load a method. Okay, using this method we can check why our ads is not displaying. Okay, we can use this error variable. Okay, so let's create a function toast variable. Okay, function so toast and pass this error. Fine. Now there is some issue. Uh, we need a string, but we have provided a add error. Okay, so keep the cursor on it and press Alt plus Enter and select the first one. Wrap using string value. Okay, now it has been done. Also copy this line and no, do not copy. And if banner is add loaded, then okay, we not need actually this one. Okay, we need only this listener. Why is our ad is failed? Okay, so now run the app again. So let's check. SDK is successful, and this is error. Request could not be filled. Uh, this error is shown here, and it means that the ad is not provided by the Wortise because our account is not verified yet. Account is verified, but app is not verified by them. So give them at least 3 days. Okay. I'm sure it will start displaying that after that. Okay. So there is no issue our side in the integration part. Okay. So this lecture has been completed.